Hello and welcome, Greg here from Crew Volkswagen dealership, proudly showing you today this truly one-of-a-kind Volkswagen Tiguan R-Line eHybrid. Before we continue, make sure to check out the description below, as this particular one is absolutely packed to the brim full of factory-fitted extras. So, where to begin? Well, in the front you enjoy the stylish IQ Light matrix adaptive headlights in the front with illuminated front grille and logo, whilst around this side these gloss black York alloy wheels. In the rear there are also signature shaped LED taillights with an illuminated rear logo and coast-to-coast light bar, as well as an upgraded panoramic sunroof with a tilt and sliding option. This plug-in hybrid benefits from both AC and DC rapid charging, meaning you can charge it from home on slower chargers or make use of the rapid ones, getting you on the road in no time. For easy access, there's also keyless entry and start with a power-operated liftgate, revealing more than practical load area with 40-20-40 split seats. Additionally, Type 1 and Type 2 charging cables come as standard, but the real treat is inside of this upgraded full Vienna leather upholstery with heated outer rear seats for rear passengers to enjoy. In the front, the story is no different with decorative door and dash inserts and upgraded front seats with benefit from electric memory massage functionality. The driver can certainly look forward to operating this upgraded leather-wrapped multifunction steering with paddle shifts, operating the digital cockpit. There are customizable dials to choose from, projecting satellite navigation directly ahead of you, and for the winter months there is also a heated steering wheel, whilst the upgraded head-up display can be projected directly onto the windscreen. Music fans will certainly enjoy the upgraded Harman Kardon loudspeaker system, and in the center there's this larger 16-inch infotainment touchscreen, unlocking the likes of easy-to-pair Bluetooth telephony, FM and DAB digital radio, with built-in sat-nav that can be simultaneously displayed on both systems. Various other vehicle settings are on offer, and for added connectivity there's Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, both with wireless function. Helping you park is an upgraded area view parking camera with bespoke charging information also at your fingertips. A host of active safety systems will also scan the road ahead to protect you and your occupants at all times. Selectable drive modes are also on offer with atmospheres, allowing you to choose between pure electric or hybrid drive modes, as well as 30-color ambient lighting, which will really brighten things up. As I mentioned, front seats benefit from easy massage functionality, and the upgraded loudspeaker system will certainly appeal to many of you, along with ChatGPT functionality. Whatever the weather, there are heated and ventilated front seats, whilst overhead you'll find easy controls to operate the sunroof and the electric sunshade blind. This has been a presentation of this wonderful Volkswagen Tiguan R-Line eHybrid that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.